Hey, what's up? When it comes to breakfast and brunch, bread play the main roles. I love breakfast and brunch. 7 out of 10 of the restaurant and cafe I have visited last year served me a very dense, chewy sourdough bread. This partly because they outsource their bread and they don't know how to store it very well. When it comes to sourdough bread, you need to have your own bakery and serve it fresh, or at least store it in the right way. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make 3 beautiful brunches at home for yourself and your loved one. First, you can save up some cost because, to be honest, brunch is costly. Second, if you're a homemaker, you can have a fresh bread with your brunch. And third, you can impress your family and your loved one by making these beautiful recipes. Let's get into this, shall we? Let's see what I can find in my fridge. Okay, very good. This is just an idea. Make with whatever you have in your fridge. You can make it with your leftover. I have some sourdough bread, focaccia bread, lemon, some fresh dill, egg, some cheese, butter, cream cheese, leftover pesto, bacon, salami, and of course, fresh basil, which is my favorite. Put any ingredients you can into the oven in order to make it faster. I don't know why I wanted to play, but I was happy. I put salami, bacon, and chorizo into the oven. First thing first. Then pancake batter. We need 1 egg, little bit of oil, dry mixture, which is sugar, salt, baking powder, and of course flour. Dry and wet ingredients meet each other. Use a fork. Make it so simple for you. Mix but not too much. If you like to make egg benedict, bring the water to boil. Add little bit of vinegar, stir it, and add the egg into the center. And if you want to make it quick, like me, you don't have time, just make a simple sunny side egg. To have a perfect sunny side egg, the trick is put the lid on top. After 2 minutes, take off the lid, and you can baste it with some oil and make it even quicker. Next, make a scrambled egg. You need to be patient and make it on low-medium heat. Just play with it like this. Next, hollandaise sauce on bain-marie. Egg yolk, lemon juice, mix consistently, and add the butter little by little. Off the heat time by time. We don't want a scrambled egg. And this is what we want. Salt and pepper, and of course lemon zest. Time to make our beautiful pancakes. Bring your cast iron or steel pan. Add the first one is always mistake. When you see the bubbles, simply just flip it. And that was failure. Second one. For this one, I like to add a little bit of chocolate. Chocolate and the rest of your batter. You can add anything you like. Berries, chocolate. Oh, this is good. But what about third one? Amazing. That's what we want. Toast the sourdough. That's what I'm talking about. And you can make any sauce you like to add to your sandwiches. I like to use my leftover pesto with a little bit of cream cheese, olive oil, lemon juice, salt and pepper. You can add Parmigiano, you can add anything you like. Time to assemble beautiful sourdough, the sauce I made, your preferred egg, and hollandaise sauce. Little bit of chives or dill for garnish would help. For pancake, you can add anything you like. Some honey, maple syrup, or like in this case, condensed milk. I'm not finished yet. Look at the color. Beautiful. Last but not least, my beautiful focaccia sandwich. You can make it like panini too. And assemble your sandwich whatever you like. Alright, that was it. You can find all of the beautiful breads recipe in my page. Focaccia, ciabatta, sourdough bread, and many more. So make sure you subscribe my channel and don't miss my next video.